Hi, I'm Jamie at the Bead Gallery, and I'm going to tell you about calipers, a very magical measuring device when you want to know how big a bead is. Normally people will just bring it up to us and be like, how big is this? And then we will use one of these calipers, which is a tool that squeezes, and it will show you how big it is by reading the measurement. So let me show you how to do that. You, with this plastic one, squeeze it. And you look at where the 0 lines up, and it's on the 20. So this is a 20 millimeter bead. Okay, so this is the brass version. The brass version is nice because you don't ever have to worry about it breaking. Again, it has a little line right here that will line up with the number, and the other side has inches, and that's really helpful because a lot of people in America still use inches. We use both in the store. This is the best one to me. It is where you don't even have to read the lines. You squeeze it with this electronic one, and it will read to you precisely how big it is. So if you need one, let us know. You can make a recommendation if you want plastic, brass, or my personal favorite, the electronic caliper. Thank you.